The attendant PIR measures 5 metres either side of the control. The PIR lens has a sensing spread left to right of the attendant of around 60 degrees either side of the central line, and 50 degrees either side of the central line, top to bottom. If wall mounting the attendant, position at shoulder height. The PIR will scan 10 to 15 metres across the room. You must wall mount the unit if you want to use the attendant's temperature settings. The wall control must be locked so that the occupant can't make any temperature adjustments, so they need to be able to access the buttons on the attendant so they can still manually turn the air conditioner on and off. If ceiling mounting the attendant, ensure that switch 7 is set to on for automatic restart. Installation must be carried out by a qualified engineer. Connect the manufacturer's interface for remote on-off switching to the common and normally open connections on CN2 inside the attendant. The other end of the interface connects to the corresponding connection on the PCB inside the air conditioner. Once the room is empty, the signal to turn off is sent via the interface. The interface makes sure that when the air conditioner is turned off, it follows the correct power down procedure. For battery operation, fit 2 C-cell batteries. For mains operation, installation must be carried out by a qualified engineer. Connect the supplied mains adapter cable to ground and 5 volts on CN1 inside the attendant. Safely connect the other end to the main supply. There will be 10 beeps confirming that the power supply has been correctly installed. There are 8 dip switches used to configure the attendant for different operations. Switches 1 to 6 are for programming the temperature settings. You can choose between setting a temperature limit to prevent occupants from excessively heating or cooling the room, or, instead of turning the air conditioner off when the occupant leaves, maintaining a comfort level in a 4-degree deadband until they return. Set switch 6 to on, then switches 1 to 5 according to your temperature requirements. Refer to the manual for full instructions on how to set this operation. If you don't want to use the temperature settings, make sure that switch 6 is off. Switches 1 to 5 will then be deactivated. Switch 7 controls how you want the air conditioner to start when occupants return. In the on position, the air conditioner will start automatically when occupancy is sensed. This switch must be set to on if you're wanting to use the setback mode or if you're mounting the control on the ceiling. In the off position, the air conditioner is manually turned on by the occupant using the button on the attendant. It can also be manually turned off. Switch 8 is for test mode and normal operation. In the on position, the attendant is in test mode. This means there is only a 15-second time delay between the last movement and the signal to turn off. Once testing is complete, switch 8 can be moved to the off position for normal operation, which means there is now a 15-minute time delay. Setup of the attendant is now complete.